This is a quick video on our commercial cleaning service in the Buffalo, New York market. And we service all of Western New York and are located in the Buffalo metro area. My name is Shane Dubell and our company is Method Clean Solutions. And you could reach us at methodclean.com. That is methodclean.com. You can visit our website. And what we're going to talk about today is how the different services that we provide and what makes us unique. We see a clean office building in your future. This is how we introduce ourselves to the local business managers and owners in the Buffalo market. And we are a provider of commercial carpet, tile, and floor cleaning services. And our goal is to provide a clean and healthy environment for our clients through technology, through training, and of course, we want to highlight customer service. Every building has different needs, and we want to listen to our clients when we have walkthroughs and they explain to us what their goals are, what their business objective is. And what I just want to go over is what our main services are. Commercial carpet cleaning. A lot of this depends on the method and frequency. And what we do is when we come out for an estimate, we go and we look at the type and amount of soil that you have, a restaurant, a retail, an office building, professional office building. All of that can completely change how often you would need to have it cleaned. Obviously, something like a manufacturing environment may need more service than an accounting office or a law firm. Floor cleaning. We provide floor stripping and refinishing. We can also high-speed polish or burnish. Burnishing is an industry word, and that's to remove scuff marks. Sometimes you see, especially with older VCT squares, in cafeterias is where you see a lot of those scuff marks. Usually from the chairs going back and forth. They slide back and forth a little bit. And we can set up a maintenance program based on your business needs and your budget. A unique service we provide is tile and grout steam cleaning. And restrooms are the number one complaint in offices. And it's always been number one. And one of our solutions is that we specialize in steam cleaning the walls and the floors. And the reason is that steam gets into those little pores of the grout. Because what happens is people try to mop the floor, but it's not good enough always because soils and odors, they seep down into the pores of the grout, and you can't reach it with just mopping. So the question that clients always want to know is, well, there's thousands of cleaning companies out there. What makes your business unique? What makes your cleaning service the best? Why do you think you're the best? And I'm just gonna go over some key points that are more business related. That communication, we always try to be direct and have straightforward and honest feedback with clients to develop a long-term relationship. And afterwards, I love to send a customer survey out to find out how everything went. What was the appearance of our staff? How did the cleaning go? Specialized equipment. I was speaking about a couple minutes ago about tile and grout restoration, where that requires some specialized equipment. Tile and grout steam cleaning. We have portable equipment. We have low moisture equipment. So any situation that you have, whether you're at the top of a 10-story building or you have an office in a manufacturing plant that's 1,000 feet away, we can solve all of those problems. Detailed solutions. When a building manager or owner asks us to come out and give them an estimate, what we want to do is not only give you a price, we know you want to know the price, but we also want to lay out, well, what are we thinking? Why are we doing it? There's no one size fit all solution in any business. In any business. So we want to lay out, well, what's our thinking? Why did we come up with this solution? And this is just an example that someone had olefin, and this is the characteristics of olefin, and that's why we're cleaning it this way. And these are the conditions we saw, and here's our solution, based on our walkthrough. So that's what you can expect. Safety has always been important, especially in industrial environments and medical environments, but especially it's taken on more importance after the pandemic. And that's why we have a dedicated safety program, attention to detail. That's ultimately what separates any business, especially cleaning business, where commercial cleaning business, that attention to detail is pretty much everything. And a lot of the questions that people ask when I meet with them is, how do you manage your employees? How are you hiring people? Where are you finding them? What is your training process? Are you certified by anybody? And these are all the types of questions that we are trying to share with you. Again, my name is Shane Dubell. Our company is Method Clean Solutions, and we are located in the Buffalo, New York market. You can visit our website at methodclean.com and schedule an estimate, and I'd love to come out and introduce myself. Thank you.